One of the projects I want to get done today is to clean, organize, and rearrange my Four Seasons here. So you can see it's kind of a mess of everything. I got my 10 by 10 canopy here. I got the ladder that needs all the dirt and mud off of. I got some chemicals, blower. I got concrete. I got this Christmas tree that I just bought. My bench, some tools. All this stuff needs to be cleaned up, and then I'm putting my kitchen table in this area because I have to move my keyboard from the living room into the kitchen. Once everything is sort of situated here and the keyboard is in the kitchen area, then I am going to unpack this Christmas tree and put it up. However, you will not see any of that footage until November. So another project for me is to get rid of this concrete and this stuff by creating another concrete pillar, and this is actually going to be like a fountain. So I picked up this 5-foot half-inch PVC pipe. So this will be filled with concrete, and then water will come up here. Obviously it'll be cut to this height here, but the water will bubble up and then come down. So in order to get rid of the concrete and all of this, I need to pour it. The other thing is I have this board to keep the bottom level, but I'm drilling a hole to be able to put the PVC through, so I have an excess amount to hook it up to a pump for next year. some nice character to it. I actually like those not perfectly straight. So this is my dining area with the kitchen. Right now it's just got a bunch of stuff. It's got a bunch of photography prints and like Christmas cards that I made. And it's got some pond supplies. I went and bought a sponge filter and an air stone for overwintering the fish in the basement. And then I'm waiting to buy a frame for one of my limited edition art prints. So this actually, two of the sides fold down, so that'll go in the Four Seasons, and then the keyboard will go over here. And then I'm thinking of also putting my flip down treadmill in the kitchen here. Here's what the Four Seasons looks like now. And my bench. And then I have the kitchen table partly folded down, decorated for Halloween so I can sit here and enjoy the backyard while the dogs are outside. Gus loves to just sit out there forever and oversee his domain. And then this is the dining area. I got my keyboard, and then I got my treadmill. It's in, in the accessibility, but it's not in the way like it would be in the living room. So I still use it every day. Give you a little before and after of the line with all the leaves and how tall everything is. After cutting the grass.